How to add signature in PDF file. So in this video tutorial I'm to show you the best way. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. Okay guys, so first we need to use the browser. So I'm going to show you the two method. First, you can use the online tools, or other you can use the Google Drive. So first I'm going to show you the Google Drive. Just log in with your email ID and just open the Google Drive here. Go to the menu button and open the Google Drive, and you can upload the PDF file from here, and you can just go here and upload the PDF file from your device. So I have already uploaded my PDF here, so I just open it. Just right click on the PDF, open with Google Docs. So this PDF will be open in Google Docs. So it is open. Okay, it's opening. It's take, I think, few seconds. Okay, so here we are. This is my PDF. So if you want to sign here, I need to just keep this cursor here. Now go to the insert, go to the drawing, and go to the new here. Then this top-up window will be open. So from here we can sign. So need to select the line, and you can select this curve, or sorry, scribble, and just sign the your from here. Okay, you can also clear. You can make undo from here, then you can sign again. Okay, so this sign, you can change the thickness if you want. You can change color from here, and done. Just save and close. Now you can you need to click on this, then select this one behind the text, and just minimize the size, and you can keep, or you can change the place where you want. Okay, and if you want to delete, just click on it. Just go to three dot, sorry, go to the edit, click here and delete it. Okay, so it will be delete, or simply you can delete from here also. Just select this and hit the delete button. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can insert the image. If you have your signature with as a image, same, you need to go in drawing, go to the new, and you can upload that image from here. You can upload from your device. Okay, just find your that image. Okay, you can upload from your device, like just go to the browse and select find your image signature, and select that, open it, then it will be upload like this. Okay, something happened, okay, let me show you with another image. Okay guys, so this image will be update like this. Just upload the image. Now you can make the size, change the size like this. Just go to save and close, and now just select the image, change the option with behind text, and you can change the size, and you can able to move it whenever you want to place. Okay, so that is how you can insert the image, and there is a lots of online tools you can use. Go to the any browser and type for Adobe Signature, which is I use. Okay, Adobe PDF Signature. Okay, secure site PDF file from online free. Okay, here we need to select the PDF, and it will be start upload. Now we need to create account, or you need to sign in with your Gmail ID. It will be continue automatically, and it will take few seconds to open. Okay, let it open first. Okay, so it will be open like this. So you can add signature from here. Just click on add, or you can also add the initials if you want. Okay, same, you can type, you can draw like this. you can upload the image and just save it. I'll show you how can add signature. So I'm going to draw it. Okay, same as same you can upload image from here. Okay, just save and just keep this place where you want. Okay, you can make the size, you can change the size, you can change the font. You can also delete from here. You can type, you can also check the insert the check marks like this, and you can also delete from here. Okay, so that after that you can download your PDF. And in Google Drive, in Google Docs, once you complete with signature, you need to just go to the file, go to the download, and you can download this file as a PDF again. Okay, so it will be downloaded with your signature. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.